I'm super excited. I'm about to open this box with parts direct from the manufacturer in Taiwan. But before I do that, I want to take you back in time to show you the tools I'm going to restore and the part on this saw that I hope is inside this box. I only bought this for parts, then I decided it was worth repairing. This lathe only needs a little bit of work. Around here, when it rains, it pours. Ross gave me all this. Thanks, mate. That is awesome. I retrofit a new table rest for this from my broken sander. That turns out great. And that is the most beautiful and amazing drill press I've ever seen. And it will feature in a future episode. Without wasting any more time, straight into it. Pretty well packaged. Yeah. The only place that I could find selling these parts was the actual manufacturer, OAV, in Taiwan. I've taken a risk. This part is different for a different model saw, and I only matched it by eye. Yeah, fits. Looks pretty good. Yeah. Can you believe it? My oldest saw is 35 years old, and its DNA lives on in modern saws made by OAV. The question is, do they still use the same thread? Yeah, fits. You haven't heard of OAV, have you? I've done some research. They sell woodworking machinery to suppliers all around the world. My two saws come from two different Australian shops who probably got them years ago from OAV. Interestingly, Axminster in the UK whack their own brand on these. If you follow Matt Estlea on YouTube, you won't see a table saw. The core saw in his shop is a bandsaw from Axminster. OAV. You don't think about it, but it's truly a small world these days. Do you think back in 1986, pre-internet, you could track down a Taiwanese part supplier, have a conversation with them, buy replacement parts? Never. careful. These little guides are not flat. They've got a little chamfer on the tips so that the teeth don't rub. I've already centered the blade on the wheels so that it runs true. It was way off. Lucky I checked it before I turned it on for the first time. Why make one of these when it costs $2? My only regret is I didn't buy 2 or 3. No! You want these guides as close as possible without touching. This table locking pin only just fit, and I probably could have got away without it. First test. I'll do 2 cuts. That's a thumbs up. Thanks, Owen. I'm really happy. This is a repair-a-thon. Tomorrow's video is the lathe. The day after is a sander. The day after that, a mystery video. I'll be repairing some things you've seen lying around broken in my shop for the last couple of weeks. It'll be good. I'll tell you what, if you like this video, hit the notification bell for the next one. Cheers.